Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will most likely want to grab a SIM ejector that will come. Actually, I can't say that it will come provided with the device, as this is Apple, so I have no clue. But I also want to point out that this will, in terms of the SIM card itself, will work for European Union or Europe. As far as I'm aware, US version of this device does not have a SIM card tray whatsoever. Same thing goes for the Air version of this phone. That one, even in Europe, doesn't have a SIM card tray. So, it's one thing, but you can still insert an eSIM if you may. Not going to be a physical insert. It's going to be a scanning of a QR code, which you can do by going into the settings and to cellular, and I believe you just select setup cellular and then scan QR code. So this would allow you to add your eSIM, and yeah, that's about it. But for people that want to use a physical card, like I have one right here, and you are in Europe, so you do have the tray, which is located at the bottom left side of the device. You want to grab your tool, push it in here, and the tray will pop out. There we go. Pull it out. Now on the tray you will have space for just a single SIM card. So you want to place it on the tray, like so, and insert it back to the device. But even though you do have on the tray only one spot for a SIM card, these devices can have two numbers. One can be done through an eSIM, the other one can be done through the SIM card. Now I do have a pin. Oops, let me just put out. So I need to confirm the pin to unlock my SIM card. And there we go, it's now unlocked. So like I was mentioning, you can use two numbers, one through a physical SIM card and one through an eSIM. And if you're in the US, I presume you'll have the ability to add two eSIM cards into the device, which again would leave you with two numbers that you can utilize. But that's about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.